Restaurant essentials. Parts of a restaurant. A restaurant comprises various sections like the kitchen, dining area, bar, and service stations. Each part plays a crucial role in delivering a seamless dining experience, from food preparation to customer service.
Memo. From Heather Rowe, Manager. To Restaurant Staff. Hello all. Tonight the restaurant is going to be busy. Our reservation list is full. We have a party that will seat 20. Take 5 tables from the dining room, move them into the private room. Wash and iron the tablecloths. Vacuum the lobby. Sweep the sidewalk at the entrance. Clean the surfaces in the kitchen. In the restrooms, refill the paper towel dispensers. Restock the bar. Also take an inventory of items in food storage. When finished, bring the list to my office. Finally, we need to tend to the break room. Please remove old food items from the refrigerator. Thank you.
Tabletop items. Tabletop items encompass the essential tools and utensils placed on dining tables, including plates, utensils, glassware, and condiment holders. These items not only serve functional purposes but also contribute to the overall dining ambience and presentation.
Food Service Supply House. We offer a wide range of tabletop items for your restaurant. Orders over $100 include free shipping. Utensils. We provide simple items such as drinking straws and bread basket tongs. We also carry fondue forks, crab crackers, and lobster picks. Flatware. We have forks, knives, and spoons in a variety of designs. Options also include stainless steel, silver, or gold-plated. Glasses. Glasses for water, wine, champagne, or soft drinks are available for purchase. Shakers. Casual or elegant, we have shakers to fit any theme. Placemats. Choose from solid colors or designs. We also offer holiday-themed placemats. Tablecloths and napkins. Our table linens come in an assortment of colors and fabrics.
Food service equipment.
Food service equipment includes a wide range of tools and appliances used in the preparation, cooking, serving, and storage of food. From ovens and grills to refrigerators and dishwashers, these essential pieces ensure efficient and hygienic food handling in restaurants and commercial kitchens.
Serving guide. Taking food from the kitchen to the table. Bring each table a basket of fresh bread. Then take orders. Chefs often complete dishes before servers can take them. These plates go under the warming lamp. Pick up warm dishes with a cloth. Place soup and salad bowls on oval trays. These trays hold 4 bowls. Place bowls in a line. Main courses go on round serving trays. These trays hold 4 plates. Bring sizzling platters out separately. Use a cloth to hold them. Remind customers not to touch hot platters. When ready to serve, bring out a tray stand. Open the stand and set your tray on it. Take plates off of the tray. Serve each customer.